How to turn on Bluetooth in Windows 11. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you guys can turn on Bluetooth in your Windows device. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's jump right in. So what you can do here is just make sure you've opened up your Windows device, then tap on this section right here. After you tap on it, you'll find this small pop-up where you'll also find the Bluetooth. Tap on this to enable it, and it's that simple. So if you tap on this arrow, it will take you to the settings of Bluetooth. So here you can connect to different devices, you can find new devices to connect to, and if you tap on more Bluetooth settings, as I said earlier, it'll take you to your settings. So from here you can set up whatever you want. You can remove your previously connected devices, and you can tap on the three dots here and then tap on remove devices and connect to many more other devices as well. And that's basically it guys. That's how you enable Bluetooth in your Windows device. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye, take care.